Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you easy and quick way how to add footers in Excel. You can add image in Excel footer. You can add page number in footer. You can add email title in footer. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, do subscribe, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here we are. This is my Excel sheet, and first we need the change view. So just go to the view first, and here you can see the page layout. Click on page out layout. You see the page layout, so click in top of the here, and to view the header. And if so this video I'm going to show how to add the footer. Just click on the footer anywhere, so view the footer here. Okay, I just already add the some footer numbers here. So this is footer, you can see. So there is a I'll show you how to add numbers in footer, how you can add uh, text in footer, how you can add image or logo in footer. So first I'm going to show you how to add the numbers, page numbers, or total page count in number in footer. So first where click on the scroll square where you want to insert the page number. Just click on, I just click on left side one. If you want to place in right side, you can click on the right side. In my case, I'm just click on left side one. And now I have to go in design and header and footer tools or design. And now you have to go in the page number. You can see the code has been appear. Now you when I click anywhere in Excel, the page number is appear here, and second page also automatic will be appear here. Okay, so if in case I want the total page count also, so just click on there, click it, click on the cell or scroll, and just type the slash and go to the design again. And here you have to click on number of pages. So the code has been appear here, and just click anywhere. You can see the total page count will be appear here. Okay, so now if you want to add the footer title, you can add footer title in middle, like NetCast on WebTech Zone, and just enter anywhere. So you can see both page the footer title has been appear. If you want to change title name, uh, size, footer title size, you can change from here, like this. You can change font also. In my case, I choose air. Okay, anything you can change from here also. Okay, so that is how it's look. It will be changed everywhere from Excel. Oh my god. Okay, you can change anything. Okay, so in left corner I'm going to show you how you can insert the image in footer. So it's like logo, you can insert the logo. Just select the corner place, and just go to the design, and here you have to click on picture. Here will show the three source where you can upload the pictures. In my case, I'm choose the computer browse, and here I got the some image. You can browse from your device. So I advise you use the png file. So you can see the same code has been appear. Now click anywhere in Excel, so image will be appear like this. It will be the image will upload in the original size. So now you have to change the size. Just click on it and go to the format picture, and here you can change the manage the your image. There is a many option you can see, like size and rotation and scale. You can picture, you crop picture like percentage or inch. Okay, so in my case I just change the picture in scale because it is very easy. So in scale you just change the percentage. In my case I take to 20. I take 20, and here also 20, and just okay, and click anywhere. You can see the logo has been changed, size has been changed, and you can see here also change. Okay, so that is how you can add footer in Excel. And there is another feature I will show you that will be very helpful if you want to use, if you want to make very professional, Excel page or sheet. Just if you want to if you want different footer in first page only and keep same to rest of, just click on first page, anywhere in the first page footer, and go to the design, and here you have to click on different first page. Click on it, so you can see rest of page footer are same, but the first page footer has been deleted. Now you can customize your first page footer as per your requirement. Okay, in in case you want to remove, just click on and just click delete, it will be removed. Click delete button from your computer, it will be removed automatically. So when you done, just come back to the normal view, just click on the view and go to the normal, it will be view as a normal. I hope you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for